This is how waste cooking oil becomes clean biofuel.
This dirty oil once cooked food.
How it can power engines. This is how waste cooking oil becomes clean biofuel.
The journey starts in restaurants and food factories.
Used oil is collected safely. Each batch is tracked. The oil moves to a biofuel plant. This is where transformation begins. Every step follows strict control. First, solid waste is removed.
Food scraps are filtered out.
Only liquid oil continues. Heat separates water from oil. Water is fully removed. Dry oil is essential. Now chemistry takes over. This reaction creates biofuel. Conditions are tightly controlled. Oil structure begins to change. Biofuel and glycerin separate. Glycerin is removed. Fuel is washed for purity. Leftover chemicals are removed. The fuel becomes clean. Clarity shows quality. Final filtration ensures safety.
Standards must match.
The fuel passes inspection. Ready fuel is stored.
Stored under safe conditions.
Prepared for distribution. Prepared for distribution.
Fuel moves to users.
Used in real engines. Powering industries. Waste becomes value.
This is sustainable energy. En alltid gå in kontrollerat flödet till barn, gildes för plicken produce and the swabflapses.
Recycling protects the future.
Every step matters. Clean fuel from waste oil.